Alright, what's going on, everybody? Did a little retail hunt today, no love there. Per the norm. Let's hit the LCS. Picked me up a sweet box of this for $100. 8 autographs, 2 mem cards. Not bad. Not a big fan of Panini baseball, but at this point, I'll take anything. Showing off a little of the DJ PC there. Prices are going crazy right now, especially on that SP foil. Pretty ridiculous right now. I think they're comping around PSA 7. I think around maybe 800. I think the last time I checked. Well, it was last night, so not like it was. Okay, pretty sweet little setup here. Let's get these bad boys out of here. Didn't look at the checklist on this, but hey, like I said, for $100, I gotta rip something. And there ain't a single pack of retail around. Decent looking cards. Clayton Beater, $9.99. Celestin, $9.99. Oh, looks like we have a little die cut coming up. Dabovich out of 39. Nice looking card. Ah, Torkelson. That's what we're looking for, pretty much. I think Dominguez is in this too. I'll take a Torque all day. Memorabilia action. Beater again out of 220. Your boy Riley Green with a little scribble. It's terrible. It's not numbered. Nice looking card though. They're actually really nice, sir. Well, Panini's always got nice cards. Another Torkelson. This is more of a chrome card. Much different feel than the other ones. Let's go with this green. Strider out of $4.99. A little gold. Jeromo. Ooh, 6 out of 10. It's a beauty. Gage Workman. Not numbered. Throw that bad boy on the stand. Romo out of 10. Oh, damn, this thing is thick. Pull a sweet patch out of these too. Hunter Green out of $9.99. Tristan Casas. Jared Jones auto. Mountcastle. Ooh, that's sick. That is nice. 14 out of 25. 3-color patch. Very nice. Definitely take that. Isaiah Green out of 61. That's a pretty card. Man. Tell you what, I might have to go back and get another box of these bad boys for $100. Let's see if I got a loader for this. Nice. Perfect. Not too shabby so far. Landon Knack base. Looks like another die cut coming up. Owen Casey at a $9.99. Looks like a Brian Hayes mem card. Oh, you bastard. Jordan Michael. Hidden gem. Get some penny sleeves for those. Mitchell Parker out of 249. Very impressed with this so far. How many autos we got so far? 4, 5, 6. There's our 2 mem cards. Slide these over. So this pack should have 2 more autos in it. Let's hope for that Dominguez. Fat at a $9.99. Asa Lacy. Ben Hernandez auto. Base. Nice. Owen Casey gold die cut. 15 out of 24. And then we have a green Fabian Lopez out of $4.99. Nice little box. Definitely a fun rip for $100. I'll take this all day. 100%. Nothing compared to your Panini or top or any of your flagship series or anything like that. But overall, definitely a fun rip. And well worth the $100 in my book, for sure. There's your number 1 pick. A lot of numbered cards in here too. Very pretty. You got a green of $4.99. Got a base. I'm gonna go just assuming black at a $9.99. There's a blue at a $2.49. Another black die cut. $9.99. This is 04 out of 61. No number insert there. Hunter Green out of $9.99. Emerald $4.99. base Torkelson. Load that up. This one's got a cool background to it, almost like an X-Fractor out of 220. Beautiful card. Ruby die cut. 14/39. Got another black $9.99. Black $9.99. Got a gold die cut Casey, 15/24. Gold Drew Romo, 6/10. Love this one here. 3-color patch. Auto Mountcastle, 14/25. All in all, man, fun rip. I definitely, like I said, if you're into hunting retail and can't find crap, or you don't want to pay triple the price for a $20 blaster, definitely hit these bad boys up at your LCS if you got one nearby. Can't go wrong for $100 on these. Probably won't bring a ton of value, but as a collector, it's just fun to rip something up, stash these away for a couple years. All the other autos: Riley Green, Hidden Gem, Jordan Michael, Hidden Gem, Gage Workman. What else we got? And Jared Jones. Definitely a fun product. Most likely be getting another one here soon. So hope you enjoyed that rip. Maybe you're looking to get in the box yourself. Don't forget about your DJs. Probably past the time to invest. Prices are through the roof. Enjoy your evening, everybody.